Okay, all right, folks. Once again, I'm coming your way to give you an update of what is happening, what is really happening with my affiliate marketing activities with Legendary Marketer. And I have good news to share with you. Just a few hours ago, I got my very first sale coming through, my very first commission of $18. As you can see, this is my stats. In the other video, I showed you the stats. The stats were showing 0, nothing was in there. But as I speak today, there's a first sale that came through a few hours ago, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited about this, and I thought to share with you. This is a journey, like I told you, this is a journey that I'm taking, and I've challenged myself to some figures in the next couple of weeks. So as and when there's an update, I'll be giving you those updates. So let's go to my report section. Let's go to my report section and show you some details. Alright, so as you can see here, these are the hits that are coming, the leads, 18 leads, one customer, total commissions is $18, no refunds, nothing. Okay, the lifetime value is $18. So this is it. The product that I sold is the Marketers Club. There are several products that Legendary Marketer has, here, and I am at the affiliate level. Okay, I'm not a licensee. I've not licensed a product with a $2,500 option. I'm still on the $30 option, $30 a month, and this is my very first sale. I'm still driving traffic, I'm still running ads, and I'll be updating you in very in due time and very soon. I'm so excited. I'm just messing up what I'm saying, but this is indeed a journey that you can decide to join me, or you can decide to sit down and observe each time I post or I share this video. But don't forget, if you sit on the fence, we will make difference. We will make a difference. We will get results. We will make progress, and you'll still be sitting down. So get on board, get down with me. Let's achieve success together. Let's write our own success stories together. Okay, so this is my very first sale, $18, and I believe that this is just the 2 figures. I'll be updating you when we scale up. Alright, thanks for sticking by. Stay tuned for more.